Hi guys, this is the Unicorn of Light. I hope you guys are doing well. All of you who are new to this channel, hello. Okay, so this reading is gonna be for the earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So I'm gonna do this reading for all the three signs. I'm gonna do element by element. So okay, let's see what does the earth element have in the store. All right. Okay, so the back of the deck is Page of Wands. So I feel like many of you guys are creating your foundation right now. Okay, let's see. What do you guys get? Two cards for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, please. Okay. Two more cards for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, please. Okay. All right. We have two more cards. I'll just adjust them so that you guys can see. Okay. So here we have Two of Pentacles, King of Wands, and Two of Cups. So what I'm getting from this is that you are right now not having any kind of clarity. This is related to everything in your life. Just a second, guys. Yeah. Alright. I had to silent my phone. Sorry. Okay. So, what I'm feeling for you guys is that you guys don't have much of clarity in your life right now and you are wanting it. It's like you are sailing between the silent and the very chaotic waters. It's like you're juggling between the silent and the chaotic waters is what I'm feeling from this. This very much feels like your present energy, even if it's not a very harsh energy for you guys, but I feel like this is to a certain point it is kind of annoying to you and it's kind of coming in the way of your everyday life is what I'm feeling, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Then we have King of Wands. So I feel like some man or a masculine energy has to play a huge role in clarifying or bringing this clarity that you are seeking so much is what I'm feeling. So this King of Wands also suggests that you have lots of passion inside you, alright, and I feel like you want to use this passion for your career, which you really want to bloom now because you're tired of the stagnancy period that is there in your life. You do want to create the foundation because we did get the Page of Wands, I guess. So I feel like some masculine energy will play a huge role in bringing this clarity finally. I mean, the clarity that you are seeking, and you are going to be out of this phase really soon. So this is just a phase, guys, do not worry about it. Okay, so this card also suggests that a man is going to come into your life. That man could be a fire sign energy is what I'm getting from this, and it could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but it could be also an earth sign or a water sign as well, is what I'm getting, because we have all the three elements in this reading. So the third one that we have is Two of Cups. So there's this person who's gonna come to offer you this cup, and that cup is gonna finally, like, help you clarify certain things in your life, and clarify what things are not clarified right now, or what areas of your life are not clarified, right? Because you guys are going to work together to bring this clarity. Okay, that person is going to help you. That person is going to be your medium through which you're going to gain this amazing clarity in your life. You're going to be very happy, and I feel like for some of you it's going to happen later in the next year, around Leo season, because here we have the lion, and this is like the wing thing, so that's that. And here we have like a little lizard. So what I'm feeling is that this is the universe who's gonna bring this man into your life, or maybe woman for some of all. Okay, I'm just reading the energies. Okay, it could be you, or it could be another person as well. So take how it resonates to you guys. Okay, all right, let's see what the angel answers have for you. Alright, the deck is almost ready. Last time I'm gonna shuffle. Okay, the deck is ready. Okay, let's get 3 answers from the angels. Okay. Okay. Alright. We have gotten 3 cards for you, earth signs. Okay, so the first card that we got is if you believe. So if you are having hard time wondering, like, whether this is gonna, this clarity, this situation which doesn't have clarity right now, is it gonna change? If you believe, the angels are telling you to believe in yourself, that you can make this thing possible, you can make this thing happen for yourself. Okay, the angels are telling you that they are with you, they are assisting with you in this journey, they are assisting you with every little step that you take in your life. They are constantly with you, but they want you to believe in yourself and not take reassurance from people or even angels. Okay, there has to be some point where you need to stop obsessing over getting reassurance from the universe, because that's how the spirituality goes, right, guys? Alright, look for a sign. Okay, so if you are wondering, okay, if you are questioning something, that okay, when is this going to happen, or when is this going to go, okay, how is this going to happen, then the angels are telling you to look for a sign. So if you're getting any signs, then this is a huge sign that is exactly what the angels are telling you, like, what the angels are trying to communicate with you. Okay, that this person is going to come and bring the clarity that you seek. So seek for a sign, and then you will have the clarity on your way. Okay, and this lizard is also about the protection, is what it's telling me. So yeah, you are heavily protected by the angels. Okay, let's see this card. Perfect timing. Okay, so right now is the perfect timing. Right now can be the perfect timing, or this also speaks about that you are gonna have this person, okay, bring this cup for you. Okay, and you are gonna have this amazing balance, amazing perfect timing, where you guys are gonna meet, finally unite and reunite for some of you guys. Okay, so that is gonna happen for some of you in 6 months, is what I'm feeling. And the angels are telling you that yes, that would be the perfect time when you guys meet. So when you guys meet this person, that is going to be perfect time, when it's all divinely orchestrated for you. Okay, so guys, you do not have to worry about it. All right. Okay, let's have some cards from Angel Therapy. Let's see what the angels have to say. All right. Let's get, oh wow, oh wow. Okay, we already have one card. Okay, the cards are really jumpy. Okay, one last card, please. All right, we have 3 cards here, and the bottom of the deck here we have is base chakra. It says choose only positive thoughts to describe your home, career, and finances, as your words determine your outcome. Okay. All right. So let's see what the first card says. It says God box. Okay. Write any worries, concerns, or desires on a piece of paper that you put into a special container called God box, as a way of letting go and allowing the divine to help you. So the angels are telling you that you can do this if you have any fears to release. Okay, because of, if you have any fears, this is what the fears is causing you. The stability, the instability that you have, the clarity that you seek, that you do not have right now. So the God is telling you, the angels are telling you can make this God box and put all the worries, like, write on a piece of paper and write it, and let them go, and, like, put your intention into it. Okay, let's see what the second card has to say. It says clear yourself. It says ask the angels to release any toxic energies that you may have absorbed. So yes, some of you have absorbed some of the toxic energies, so please try and meditate and clear your energy, maybe smudge yourself. This message also came in the water signs. I feel like this is for every element. Okay, so yeah, this is like heavily for you guys, that you need to clarify your auric field and your energetic field. Okay, here we have Earth Angel. Oh my god, this is so synchronized. I love it. It's for the Earth element. I mean, this reading is for the Earth element, and here we have Earth Angel. You are a light worker who has come to Earth to teach about love. Okay, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you guys have come in this lifetime on this earth to teach about love. Okay, so guys, this was amazing. I have a very lovely vibe from this reading. I don't know which group of you guys will resonate to this reading, but I'm loving the vibe. Alright guys, that was about it. I hope you guys like it. Everything will be linked in the description box if you want to check out the other videos as well that I'm gonna post. Then you can do that as well. Okay guys, see you in the next reading next time. Take care. Bye bye.